This is an insight from WellView 365, powered by freshnews.ai. Smart infrastructure is quietly reshaping waiting room operations, forcing teams to rethink control of patient messaging in shared spaces. Executive summary: smart infrastructure for waiting rooms is the coordinated use of building systems to control screens, digital signage, and real-time patient updates from a central layer. It links facilities controls, network displays, and patient communication tools so content changes propagate consistently across spaces. This reduces local workarounds and lowers the risk of patients seeing conflicting or outdated information during visits. Today's signal: operations leaders are treating smart building controls as frontline infrastructure for waiting room communication, not just energy and comfort. Annual capital planning reviews are exposing gaps where upgraded displays and networks still rely on manual site-by-site updates. That timing is pushing decisions on ownership, standards, and workflows for waiting room messaging into this year's facility and technology plans. WellView 365 Live enables improved patient experience satisfaction by centralizing digital monitoring, control monitoring, and digital control across end-to-end delivery paths. Why it matters. Here are 4 takeaways. First, outdated or inconsistent waiting room content creates avoidable patient confusion and extra questions at the front desk. Second, local staff time is wasted when nurses or registrars must change screen content manually across multiple devices. Third, compliance and policy updates can lag in public spaces if they are not tied into the same control layer as building systems. Fourth, capital spent on new displays and smart infrastructure delivers limited value if communication workflows remain fragmented. How it works in practice. A common example is a clinic that has upgraded to networked waiting room screens while still emailing front desk staff PowerPoint files to load on USB sticks. Digital experience managers rely on spreadsheets to track which locations have updated check-in instructions, visitor rules, or wait time messages, and chase confirmations by phone. The process breaks when policies change midweek or staff forget to swap files, leaving patients with conflicting directions. When smart building controls, display networks, and patient communication tools share a single content schedule and owner, updates move through one approval path and reach most waiting room without extra local tasks. One practical adjustment: identify one pilot site this week and assign a shared content owner for waiting room screens and signage. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, map current waiting room screens, digital signage, and patient update channels to existing smart building systems for one site. Second, assign a clear content owner for that site who can approve and schedule updates across all waiting room displays. Third, document the current steps required to push a new message to every screen and identify manual handoffs or local edits. Fourth, align facilities, IT, and patient experience on a simple weekly cadence to review upcoming changes and coordinate publishing through the smart infrastructure controls. Read more at wellview365.com.